What's up, guys? So I just cleaned the car really quick. I pulled the front lip off, or what I'm gonna do today is replace the front lip with the side little splitters. So we'll see how that goes. So this should be a pretty quick video. I got the little side splitters on eBay for like, it's less than $100, pretty cheap. So here they are. And here it is. One on each side. I doubt that it's real carbon fiber, but we'll see how it works. All right, so that's a test fit. Not bad. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is prep this with some double-sided tape. And I'm just gonna put the tape at the top. So I actually have double-sided tape along the top here. Okay, I got the tube ready to go. Got some self-tappings, drill, I'll go underneath it. So there's a little bit of a gap right here. I can't manage to push that in. I'm thinking maybe I should have applied like some heat to it first. But it comes a little short too. It sticks out. Same thing on the other side. The gap. Well, there you have it. Quick install of the eBay's little, I guess they're called splitters. I mean, I don't know what they're called, but I replaced my Arkym lip with those two. Not a huge fan. There's a lot of gaps everywhere. I mean, can someone tell me, please write in the comments below, Who makes a good lip for the M Sport bumper for the E90? Please let me know, and I'll give it a shot because I'm looking for a nice lip, kind of similar to, I guess, to the M3 lip, but for the M Sport. If anyone knows of a lip, hit me up. So that'll do it for this video. Again, guys, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit the like, comment below, please, that'll help me out. I have a lot of content coming for the E90, the 335. I have a lot of content coming for the S2000, and again for the X5, right? I'm building a playlist on how to prep your car for a road trip. Me and the fam, we're driving down to Florida. It's gonna be a long trip, you know, 2 kids in the car. I don't want any headaches. Anyway, guys, that'll do it for this video. Until next time, peace. I think. What's up, Sam?
Hi guys.
What are you doing?
I'm riding my bike.
Nice. How you like Daddy's car?
Amazing. Half amazing. See you later.
Later.